Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Talbot dress that my wife got again. I believe she ordered two pieces of those dress. Again, she picked this one up for only $30 plus tax. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Somehow this time it is pretty heavy compared to last package. That's an invoice, I think. So here is item number, SKU number 0516102889. Item number is 314647. This is the black color. And then size 16P. Ponte shield. Tax is $2.63, and then amount is $30. So total damage is about $32.63. Let's go ahead and then take this one out. Wow. So this is pretty heavy. And that's the description with the barcode. Let's try to zoom this one in so you can see. So I'm just gonna open this up. See what it look like. Oh. So there's like a tissue paper in the middle, probably to avoid from this inner zipper from cutting with the fabric or something, so it won't mess up the thread. It says Talbots Petite 16P. Made in Vietnam. So a lot of products are made in Vietnam nowadays. They used to be made in China. So this one regular price is $119, guys, gals. So it is pretty thick material, which is nice. Got this nice design right here on this around the arms. The back got this zipper, and again there's a hook right here on the back of the dress. See if there's a label. Then this is for you to hang the dress so it won't slide out to your hangers. I'm pretty sure it's like a mix of polyester and then spandex again or something. Let's check it out real quick. So 62% rayon, 33% polyester, 5% spandex, hand wash only. And I guess this is in different languages. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this video, guys, and then be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. And drop any other comments on below. See if this is an awesome deal or best deal. So I'm gonna put this on. Not put this on. I'm not gonna put it on. Put it on the flat surface and let you guys see what's the dress would look like. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.